What's going on, guys? It's not Dr. Nick, as you can see, it's someone else, but you may be wondering how I put this cool thick light glasses and this cool mustache, because it's not real, as you can see, on my face. In this video I won't show you how. You can see the previous video that I'm showing there how to do it, and just know it's very easy and simple. Just search it in the channel and yeah, click on it. But in this video I'll show you how to put this virtual background. And why? Because it's funny and you can make fun with your friends. So here is how. Is the same option, is from the same place, from here, from stop video, but not like this. Don't click on stop video because you'll stop the video, of course. Just click on this arrow here, and when you click it, it opens a new window where you can choose some random options like which camera to use, and actually you can click on voice settings or something, but click on choose virtual background, and when you click it, it opens a random virtual backgrounds that zoom offers us, like this one or this one. You can put a video or the image and the image, and the cool thing is you can add your own image or video from this button here. Yeah, here add image, here add video, and as you can see, I add some video like this one, coffin dance, and you can dance with your friends on someone funeral. No, just kidding. All right, and that's all. If I helped you out, just make sure you give a like, and also if you have some problem or some question, comment down below in the video, in the comments below the video. Yeah, and yeah, that's all. Bye.